Wow, this is a beautiful, beautiful little place here. Apparently this little trickle is being fed by the nearby dam. Loads of Muscovy ducks. If you want to see one, come here. Later on I'll also find out the exact name of the place. Goodness, so beautiful. But all those, look at the ocean, bloody hell. And all those waves. There's a walking path up there. Los Molinos. Ah, this is the name of the place. Los Molinos. So I'm right now at the dam. I think it's a collection lake here at Los Molinos, whichever it is. What an amazing scenery. No idea where we are, but it looks nice.
It goes right through. How strange. middle.
Straight? Yeah.
To the right of the bush on the grass. Is it?
Oh, I can see it moving.
You see it?
Oh, that was a day and a half. I've been close, well, the closest I've ever been to 2 buzzards and 2 Egyptian vultures at Barranco de Rio Cabras, and there were also some black-winged stilts. The big fucking problem is that my battery was about to die, and I was taking the shots of the buzzards and the vultures flying actually above me, and it did look like the photo was taken, but then when I replaced the battery hasn't actually died on me, but it was about to. So when I replaced, I've inserted the new battery, it said something about data recovery on the SD card. So I did that recovery thing, and the photos I've taken of the stilts could be displayed, but nothing of the raptors. So I'm really fucked, because there was just like an accidental sighting. So bloody sun, and the wind is so strong they just make me weep. So when I get back to London, I'll try to recover the photos. I'm just hoping that they've actually been written on the card and they can be recovered. Fuck knows. Anyway, this is the Las Salinas del Carmen. And I am meant to be heading towards the Barranco del Torre. We should be that way over there. Question is, can I get to the top right there or not? Like, I was meant to be seeing some birds here on the coast, but can't see fuck all. Sure. But no. And I'm getting hungry. I don't have food with me, I just need to eat. Well, where are all the shorebirds? Rather difficult to eat and hike at the same time, so I'll try to focus on hiking at the moment. It's pretty crazy where I'm right now. Be very careful where I step and how I step. I still want to fly back to London, you know. Now I understand why they said that the road is a bit dodgy. Well, road, it's not a road, it's a path. So you gotta be very, very careful here. Crazy, absolutely crazy. Now I'll actually go a little bit more inland. bit like walking into the endless nothing. It's like an infinite landscape. Crazy. Nice but crazy. Much to my surprise, these Adidas trainers, well, hiking trainers, are performing much better than I expected, which is good. They're quite comfy on long walks. I must admit they are a tad bit longer than they should be, but I've sized up to make sure that I get the right fit instead of being just a tad bit short, and that can be a big problem when walking, especially long distances. Although I usually start from size 8 upwards, 8, 8.5, 9, 9.5 to see. But with this one, I think this is a 9. I'm not too sure actually, can't remember now. I think a size 8 or size 9. But with these ones I didn't bother to try different sizes, so I just bought the first pair and I kept them. Let's see, all the initial birds over here. Probably not a whole lot. So it looks like that bit of land tongue would reach into the ocean a bit more, but probably the tide is a bit higher. You can see there. It's quite a place. Playa de la Torre, and there is no lifeguard. I've just seen a windrow, I believe, fly away. Bastard. There's not a lot of birds around. Oh crap. It's a long walk, this Barranco del Toro, let me tell you. And the sun is just on the side, so I have to turn the cap. Otherwise I won't see anything. There's millions of butterflies flying everywhere. Crazy. I managed to eat some, so now it's not that bad. I just need to find some bloody birds. Now, this is the entrance to the Barranco, and you can find these signs showing a vulture at almost every birding spot. Find yourself in a protected bird nesting area. Please keep to the path and walk silently. Enjoy nature. Yeah, that's right. That's what I'm trying to do. Walk silently and photograph whatever I can. Well, I did find what I believe are vulture nests, but there were no men at home, so a bit of a hit and miss. Unfortunately, ravens keep flying about, super annoying. Well, not a whole lot I've seen. I'm just going back to the accommodation. On the way back I've seen a great grey shrike. I believe it was on one of the electric lines. And that's about it. I think that's all for today. Let's see what tomorrow brings. That's actually not quite true, because at the Tyndare plain I've seen a stone curlew I've seen a Hubara bastard while it was in the distance, and it was very, very hazy. And by the time we got closer to it, it somehow disappeared. Bastard.